Welcome back to my channel where I help you pay off your debt using digital coupons. So we're going to Walgreens today. There's so many digital coupon deals. I have a very simple $15 challenge. So you can grab $40 worth of your family essentials, but you're gonna pay less than $15 out of pocket plus taxes. So instead of going to Walmart and paying $40, you're gonna pay $15, take the difference and put it as an additional payment towards your debt. That's what I help you do on this channel. So if you're on a debt payoff journey, you should definitely click that subscribe button and stick around. I also am gonna show you a scenario using this digital booster for spend 40, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. At the end, I'm gonna show you a couple different things that I personally did. We'll go over my receipts as well so you can see that yes, this is real. Yes, this actually works and you guys can do it too. Below in the description box is going to be a printable breakdown and a bunch of other resources for you. So definitely check that out. But let's head inside and take advantage of some amazing deals this week. Let's start with the deals that you can do in the digital booster transaction. Then I'm going to show you how you can actually get way more product for way less out of pocket in a simple $15 challenge. So first deal is on Tresemme. They are $6 each. Buy two, get a $4 register reward. Clip the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $8, earn back the $4 register reward, makes your final cost $2 a piece. Next, we're going to grab two of the OGX products that are buy one, get one half off. Buy two, get a $4 register reward. Grab the ones that are $9.99. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $8.98, get back the $4 register reward, makes it $4.98 for two of them or only $2.49 a piece. Then grab the Colgate deal. They are $4 each on sale. Buy two, get a $4 register reward, and clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, makes them 50 cents a piece, perfect stack up price. The last product for this scenario is going to be on the Oral-B. They're $3.50 each on sale. Buy 3, get a $5 register reward. We have a 3 off 2 digital and a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. So clip them both. You'll pay $7, get back a $5 register reward. Makes it $2 for 3 toothbrushes or 65 cents a piece. So let's go over this scenario if you're using the digital booster for spend 40, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. Total for everything in this cart is $45.48. First of all, that's insane. We're not paying that. After all of the digital coupons come off, you'll pay $28.98 plus taxes. If you have $5 in Walgreens cash, that's the most that you can use on this transaction with this digital booster. You're gonna earn back $17 worth of register rewards, a 5 and 3 4s, plus $10 in Walgreens cash. Makes your net cost $1.98 for all 9 products, but your out of pocket is $28.98, pretty high. So let me show you how you can turn this into a very low $15 challenge to get more products. Another deal we're going to grab is on the Dove hair products. So these are $5 each on sale, and buy two, get a $3 register reward. Plus we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you would pay $6, get back a $3 register reward, makes them $1.50 a piece. We're still going to be doing the Colgate deal as well. So this is going to be your first transaction. Total is $18 worth of products. After the $7 in digital coupons come off, you'll pay $11 plus taxes out of pocket, earn back a $4 and a $3 register reward that we're going to use on our second transaction. For your second transaction, you're grabbing the 2 OGX products. So total for these is $14.98. You're giving the cashier the products and the $7 in Walgreens cash, plus the $6 digital coupon comes off. You pay $1.98 plus taxes out of pocket. You'll still get back the $4 register reward that we're going to use on our final transaction. We're also grabbing these Scott paper products. So you can either grab 2 of the Scott toilet paper. They're buy one, get one half off, and clip the 2 off 2 digital coupon. Or you can grab 2 of the Scott paper towels that are also buy one, get one half off with a separate 2 off 2 digital coupon. The math is going to be the same. No, you cannot mix and match just because of how the coupons are worded. So pick whatever 2 paper products you actually need. Seeing as my bladder is the size of a Dunkin' Donuts donut hole, I'm going to grab 2 of the toilet paper. Your last transaction is the 2 Scott products, so either the 2 toilet paper or the 2 paper towels. Total for these is going to be $7.50. You have $2 in digital coupons and a $4 register reward. That's going to leave you to pay $1.50 plus taxes out of pocket. So let's go over our total cash cost and all the products that we grabbed in this $15 challenge. So in total, you are now able to grab $40.48 worth of products. We have some hair care, some oral care, and some paper products. Your final cash cost is $14.48 plus taxes. That's the power of using digital coupons and stacking your deals. Now, how do we turn those savings into debt payments? You're gonna take the difference, which is the $26 that you just saved compared to you typically paying full price for all of these products at, say, Walmart. Take the $26 and make it as an additional payment towards your debt. We also have a really good deal on feminine care products this week from You by Kotex. I'm actually loving the new designs on their packaging. If anybody has a baby shower coming up, this is also a good gift to grab for the mom as postpartum care, because I guarantee you that's something that's not going to be on her baby shower list. What you're going to do is grab the Kotex. These are buy one, get one half off. If you grab the ones that are $7.79, they used to be $7.49. They may still be at your store. So yeah, inflation still happening. And they're buy three, get a $5 back in Walgreens cash. Okay, Walgreens cash, not a register reward. So grabbing three at $7.79 would be $19.47. We only have $1 off one digital, so you would pay $18.47, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and submit to Ibotta for $1 cash back each. Gives you $3 back from Ibotta. Makes it $10.47 for three of them, or $3.49 each. You could also grab four of them because the fourth product is going to be half off as well. So you would be at $23.47. After everything comes off, you're still going to get now $4 back from Ibotta. Your final cost is a little less. It's only $3.34 per pack. So either way, really good deal. Next deal again this week is on the Tide, Downy, and Bounce. They're $4.99 on sale, which is the exact same price as Walmart. However, at Walgreens, they're buy four, get a $5 register reward, and we can stack it with digital coupons. So there's a ton of products you can grab. Pick whatever four you want and clip the digital coupon. So you can grab a Tide Pod with a $1 off one digital coupon. You can grab a Gain Liquid with a $1 off one digital coupon. We have Small Tides with a $1 digital coupon. Or you could grab a Gain Flings with a $1 digital coupon. We also have Bounce included, Downy included, and the Unstoppable. So pick whatever four you need. These are the five that I'm grabbing. Total is $19.96. After the $4 in digital coupons come off, you'll pay $15.96, get back a $5 register reward, makes it $10.96 for four products, or $2.74 a piece. That is an incredible deal. Now you have over a month's worth of laundry products super cheap. All right, we're back in from Walgreens. All of the digital coupons came off. Everything was great. My first transaction though, one of the $4 register rewards didn't print. I don't know which one it was because I had three $4 register rewards printing. It wasn't the Crescent Oral-B. That one was a 5. It wasn't the Colgate. It was either the OGX or the Tresemme, I think. So he wound up giving me back $5 in Walgreens cash for that. So that one was fine. Also, on my second transaction, when I went to roll those register rewards that did print, it was trying to reject one of the register rewards, which makes no sense because it literally printed 30 seconds previous. But then when he hit the back button, it wound up taking it anyway. It was weird. I was like, what's happening? But it wound up coming off, so we're good on that. So I want to show you guys my receipts. Now, I wound up doing the spend 40, get $10 back in Walgreens cash, first transaction, right? I did the digital booster. So this is my receipt. Here's all the different products, same thing I showed you. I had a $10 register reward to use from last week. That's why I did this, because I was able to lower my out-of-pocket cost significantly. So I only paid, I can't really see. I used the $5 in Walgreens cash. So I paid $14.48 plus taxes out of pocket. Then I earned back the $10 in Walgreens cash plus the register rewards that printed as well. Now in my second transaction, why does this thing keep washing me out? You're annoying. Okay. So then my second transaction, what I did was the laundry deal, because that was something that I needed, and I did the Dove hair care deal. So these are the deals in my second transaction. Here's the register rewards that I just earned. Here's all the digital coupons coming off. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, paid only $1.06 out of pocket. Then I earned back 2 more register rewards, a 5 and a 3. I didn't feel like doing the Scott toilet paper deal because I have plenty at home, so I don't need any more. So I always tell you guys, make sure you're only doing deals on products that you actually need, so that way you're not, oh my gosh, the coloring on this is driving me nuts. There we go. So you don't want to be like wasting money out of your budget. That is super, super important. Another thing I want to share with you guys, this is huge. If you're still watching at this point in the video, that means you're serious about paying off your debt and you're serious about saving money. So you're going to get an extra tip. Just because you have a paper booster like this one for spend 30, get $7 in Walgreens cash, I could have used this on my first transaction, but I didn't. Why? I would not have been able to pay with Walgreens cash if I used a paper booster. So that would have cost me $5 more out of pocket just to earn back the Walgreens cash. The whole point of couponing to pay off your debt is to make sure that you are keeping your out-of-pocket cost as low as possible. So then, oh, come on, phone. Then after my first transaction, another one printed for spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. I could have used this in my second transaction, but again, it then would have cost me an additional $10 out of pocket. Because I used $10 in Walgreens cash, I would not have been able to. So if I used both of these, I would have earned another $12 back in Walgreens cash, but my out of pocket would have went up $15. That's a huge difference. Now, strategies change as you're on this journey. So in the beginning, your very first time couponing, or maybe your first 2 or 3 times couponing, your out of pocket is higher because you don't have any rewards yet. You're just getting started. You're still saving more money though than if you were to go to Walmart and pay full price. So for you, definitely use those boosters, like rack up those Walgreens cash, but then you need to start immediately using it to lower your out of pocket cost. Where I've been doing this for years and years, I don't need to do that. My focus is paying off my debt and keeping my out of pocket as low as possible. So keep that in mind. The last step of this, you've got to make sure that you are tracking your spending in a very simple budget spreadsheet. So I'm going to show you the one that I use. I'll link it. If you don't have a spreadsheet, definitely grab it. Let's go home and we'll do it together. All right, we're back home from Walgreens. So I have my budget spreadsheet opened. If you guys want to download it, I'll link it for you guys. You can download this on a phone, a tablet, a Mac, a Windows. It doesn't matter because it's a Google Drive document. So what you're going to do is enter in the date. So today is the 18th. Then in the drop down, pick the store. Sale price is just what it says, the sale price of all of the products that you bought. So my first transaction was $45.47 in product value. Out of pocket, I swiped my card for $16.37, and that includes taxes. And then my second transaction was $29.96 in product value, and my out of pocket was $1.06, and no cash back on that one. So my first transaction, I saved 64%. My second transaction, I saved 96% in regards to out of pocket costs. This is also going to update for you and show you to the penny exactly how much money you've saved. This is your debt payoff fund, right? So instead of paying full price and that money leaking out of your bank account and being given to Walmart, Target, Aldi, wherever you're shopping and buying all of your products, instead, now you're stacking your deals using digital coupons. So now I've saved $439.65 this month. So the first 2 weeks, I already made my additional debt payment. So this is going to go towards the next 2 weeks of the month of May and my second payment that I'm going to be making this month. So that's how I do it, to be able to save money using only your phone and then use coupons to be able to pay off your debt. So it's super amazing once you learn how to do the system. I do have a completely free debt payoff guide. It's like 26 pages. I just finished it with step-by-step how you guys can do this. So that'll be linked below for you guys in the description. You guys can get it downloaded. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.